With Galigeo for Power BI, skyrocket your spatial analysis to the next level. Create meaningful geo views of your business on a map in a matter of seconds, without leaving your Power BI environment. Connect to any GIS systems, such as ESRI, ArcGIS or GeoServer. Use shapefile, GeoJSON or spatial SQL queries and blend your KPIs with your geographic data, just by drag and drop. Enhance comprehension of your business data by correlating them with contextual data, such as socioeconomics, households, weather, or even footfall. Unveil hidden patterns by leveraging spatial analysis features, such as proximity, travel distance, or spatial time series. Create interactions between the map and the other graphics, and enhance user experience to help them find new insights faster. Easily leverage built-in business-oriented data and features. Calculate catchment areas on the fly, or create and manage dynamically new territories without the need of being an expert in GIS. Design balanced sales territories, monitor their results and share them with sales teams. Score the best locations to discover whitespace areas, develop your retail network of stores at the right places, and run the marketing campaigns at the right locations. Optimize your logistics flows, estimate potential transportation cost, or even prevent supply chain disruption by combining shipments with natural events. Crime predictions, legal reporting enhanced with cartography, railways incidence analysis, spatial patterns of electricity consumption over time. The possibilities are endless. Find answers to all your location-driven challenges and improve your business outcomes. With Galigeo for Power BI, truly unlock the power of the where dimension. Get it from Microsoft AppSource. It works in Power BI desktop, online and embedded. So give it a try.